1-0. Score by? White. Number 28. Mukhang kondisyon. Doktora nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa ng Miguel. Score. Ay, all one. Ito mga ano? Black.
On.
Oh, behind the back pass na. Nakawala ang pusit.
Sayang ang pambansang reverse.
Favorite yun ah.
Ulam na eh. Ulam na no. Kadali pa.
Si Pilay-Pilay, yung nasa labas. Yung nasa court, mabilis.
2-1.
Oras, 8 minutes and 40 seconds.
Foul.
White, number white. Ikaw, si Poncio. Okay, mabilis na yan.
Kinakalibrate ko na yung tuhod.
Number 18.
Strong lang, malakas.
Score all two. Oras 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Nice steal. Nice steal again.
Nice. Ponce. Score. 3-2.
Kaloy, rebound. Steal by Joel. Nice.
Score.
All three.
Nabitawan na naman.
Wapa, we.
Mukhang napalaban kagabi.
Madulas yung kamay, madulas.
Puro grasa pa.
All three, all three. Score by Black. All three.
Nice shot by Joel.
Oras 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Bilis na.
Nice.
Ilang, hindi naabutan. Kinakalabit ko yung tuhog.
Victor, pass to Lemuel for 2.
You know? Idol!
Score 6-3.
6-3. Lamangang 6.
Malamang.
5 and 50.
Sayang.
Doc. Lemuel. Short. Rebound by Ian. Pass to Yuan.
Nice. 6-4.
Hindi na ko alam.
Ating oras 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Still by Ponce. Kaloy.
Hindi na kuhanan eh.
Malakas ang pasa.
Mahina lang. Nasa ano lang yun, lolo. Doon. 4 minutes, 50 seconds.
Dogman. Steal. Regained by Doctora. Doctora. Pass to Humpy Dumpy. Kaloy.
7, 4.
Steal by Limuel. Doc. Marquez. Oh, misunderstanding. Okay lang yun. Takbo, baba.
Foul, foul, foul.
Pushing.
Pushing foul, pushing foul. Kaya, Ponce, binigit ang bola. Grabe,
Ian.
pinagis talaga yung game, diba?
Kaloy. Malakas.
Tumatawag yung bola.
Oh.
Wala pang bola eh.
Ian. Kaloy. Ang pambansang reverse versus Roland. Ganda ng matchup niyan. Yuan. Kaloy. Back to Edward. Yuan. Short. May foul.
Oras, 3 minutes.
Foul number 4.
Score, 7-4, lamang ang block. Yun!
Boss.
Ponce, ba?
By Ponce.
Tayo na si Pilay.
Joel.
Yan.
Nice D.
Nice D, nice D. Bola ng block.
Same ball.
Score, 76.
Limuel for 2.
Mahina.
Rebound by Ponce. Dalawa na, tatlo.
Bumibilis na. Nakalibrate na.
Edward. Kaloy. Still back to Edward. Nice shot.
Nice. All. 7.
Nag-aantay lang yung isa.
Di ba? Walang 7 na.
7.
Walang 7 talaga. Sige. Basta all 7 ha. All 7. Ako balik na.
Pero magkaiba sa ano, pagkakaliktad mo. O baliktad mo ulit.
Ian. Rebound by Roland.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Doctora. Back to.
Out. White ball.
That's
Oras,
that.
1 minute
Bye.
and 10 seconds.
Yuan.
All 7.
All 7.
Bang!
Roland. Rebound. Marquez. Shoot muna. Doctora. Malakas.
Luan! Maganda nga sa second game. Kumula, oy! Last 25 seconds.
Nanulak pa.
17 seconds.
Nice D.
10
10,
seconds.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
court!
Chase lang pala yun. Kala ko.
Change court pa lang.
Score. All 7.
Ten minutes eh.
Okay, start.
All 7.
Game. Press.
Ganda!
And
Lokman!
8-7 na lang ang white.
Sila Ed. White. Wala. White.
9-7.
9-7. Lamang ang white.
Oras, 9 minutes.
Marquez. Nice pass.
Score by Joel.
Gatchalian. Kaloy. Pass to Edward. Oh good. Rebound by Victor. Joel. Back to Nimwell. No good. Rebound by Ian. Pass to Kaloy. In and out. Foul.
By number 4, Nelson.
Yuan.
Oras, 8 minutes, 10 seconds.
Kaloy for 2. No good. Rebound by Nimwell. Pass to Doctora.
Dribble. Score, all. 9.
All 9. Nice steal. Nice rebound by Roland. Nagdadala ng bola. Roland. Ganda ng pasa. Sayang. White. Pass to Ed. Nice. Libre.
10-9, lamang white. Oras, 7 minutes and 5 seconds.
Nice take. Rebound by Ponce. Ang pangbansang reverse. Kuha sa video.
Lamang ang white.
6 and 40.
11-9. Oras, 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Doc. Roland!
Sayang.
Isa pa.
You know?
Ayaw pa lang gusto ko mahirap Ed. Wow!
Yung mga...
Steal by... Oh, back to Ed. Yuan. No good. Rebound by Doctora. Pass to Joel.
6 minutes.
Black. Victor. Nice pass. Gatchalian. 4-1.
10-11. Lamang ang white. Isa.
Lamang ang...
ng white ng isa.
Lamang ang lamang.
Yuan. Nice.
Nice shot by Yuan.
12-10.
Lamang ang white. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Running time tayo, running time. Okay, game na. Tumatakbo ang oras.
Naglalakad ang ura.
Lalakad na. Out! Tulas. Sayang.
Hindi, additional lang kasi ano. Kasi 16 lang. Ian.
Nung oras ng 9 pa?
Tor.
9:46.
Samuel.
Ano oras tayo nag-start?
Ay, sakto.
9 sakto?
Oras 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Joel. No good. Save ball.
Wala na white.
Wala. Oh, black na, white na, white.
3 minutes and 30 seconds. Three minutes and 20 seconds.
Samuel. Doktora. Tuloy-tuloy.
Dora!
Nice shot by Doktora. Yuan. Yuan crossover. No turn. Last touch by Pampansang reverse. Samuel. Roland. Aloy. 2 against 1. Foul.
Tinamaan sa mukha.
Na-boxing.
Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Tira mo na!
Yuan. Ian. Rebound by Joel.
Ayan, tumatakbo na oras.
Well.
Tulong lang isang white. All na, all!
All 2. Yuan.
Ganda! Last 2 minutes!
32 na mga white.
Namang white. Isa.
Samuel for 2. No good.
Takbo!
White ball.
Paul na, Paul na. May Paul sa ibabaw. One minute and 30 seconds. Baba!
Samuel. Tuloy-tuloy. All 3. 1 minute.
Last 1 minute!
White.
40, 30. 50 seconds.
50 seconds.
Bantayin nyo! 50 seconds na.
Doc. No good. Rebound by Ponce. Reese. Seal by Roland. Ito makababa.
Pinababa ka.
Bumaba ka daw.
30 seconds.
Go!
Last
20 seconds.
20 seconds!
20 seconds. seconds.
Ito, lobat.
Lobat. Isa pa. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All.
Gina,